Hey everyone, how are you guys? My name is Anna and I want to talk about Abdomax. I understand that a lot of people are interested in getting more information on Abdomax because it has been selling out lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to explain how it works and if it's really worth it. Abdomax is the perfect supplement if you have bloating, diarrhea, constipation, stomach pains, and more. So stay tuned until the end of this video because there are a few important points I want to make before you buy it. The first thing I have to say is that you have to buy the real Abdomax because there are a few copycats out there. To help you guys out, I'm adding the official website link in the description below. It's the only place you can make a safe purchase and buy the actual Abdomax. So Abdomax is the perfect supplement for anyone who suffers from constipation, bloating, gas, diarrhea, or any digestive problems and just can't find a natural way to fix it. The manufacturer says it's made out of 100% natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about any weird chemicals. It's based on a newly published study on gut health that figured out how to make you go to the bathroom on a better schedule and without any complications. For it to work, all you have to do is take one pill every day in the morning. And don't forget you have to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your gut health and for Abdomax to work to its full potential. The supplement works at the root of your digestive problem by activating the precursor molecule, coined by studies from Harvard and Cambridge. You know what causes the bloating, the constipation, and all that stuff? That's what Abdomax treats, and it eliminates the problems forever. The supplement is filled with fibers, nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatories that you need for healthy gut, so it fixes your system instead of treating your symptoms. On the official website, you can even see some real reviews. I hope I answered all of your questions, and don't forget to only buy Abdomax through the official website I added below. Bye everyone!